Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself. You know some people, me have 2 videos I want to share today. You understand? So, one of them videos, my people, basically I want Tief, you know. One dirty thinking thief, you know, my people. You know, as me tell, me not like thief, my people. Basically, the worst thief what me not like is the petty one them. And you know when me say petty, my people, me attack the one them who thief people look up 500, look up 1,000, you understand? Robbing from poor people are the worst set of thinking thing them, you know, my people. Judge a straight attack for you, thief. Me not like you know. You understand? You know, sick junker to mock. Thief, me say, especially the petty one them. Yo, wanna go look walk and stop thief, man. Yo, people, check out that video, my viewers and subscribers. Look on that video. Alright, my viewers and subscribers. You see the piece of same thing? Eh? Go in the woman bag, my people. Take out the money, you understand, and still a play the day and ask for information. My people, I say, you see how this is same thing when you catch it, you want to get piece of 2x4 board. You get what me I say? And put it on them pan piece of wrap, you know, like put it pan down so flat. You know, when he finger them did them, my people. And just take it 2x4 and just clot him pan them. Yeah. Bend them up. Break them up. You understand? We're not going to finish him off, you know. We're not going to write him off. But you see the hand them people, them surely not going to use again. Remember me tell you, something like them are 2 thief. Eh? Look how much work out there, my viewers and subscribers. And them decide say them now want to work. Yeah? Go and thief people things. You want to go have him look at last look at money in the bag, you know. And then take you up in all when you look at one job going go down there and take you up to, you know. Then he call him and ask for a pull door for me and something. Me search never see the camera, my people. Like you have a camera where he did up on the screen around there and should have watch him all along, my people, and she doesn't lock him in there. You understand? Have all one to one pit bull dog in there and just pull him and put him around there with him. 2 thief, man. Thinking same thing. I hope them find you soon if them not find you already and deal with you. You understand? Tap thief and go look work. Piece of sinting, crowbait. You understand? Canko. Stop thief, man. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. People, me now mess up a video, but I one thing me can say, me have another video, my viewers and subscribers, and this I want to know, my people. All me can say, you would never want this person to be your neighbor in Jamaica. Me say, people, for me would never want him to be my neighbor. No, sir. Check out the video me I talk about, my people.
Run cross over this blood clot. Run cross, and you touch him with a bumbo wood. And you touch him with a bumbo wood.
You can't laugh. We stress.
Well, my viewers and subscribers, you know, see this man here, eh? I'm gonna last year or something, my people, and say, man, like, keynote that and I give people. Oh, my world, oh, my precious NEWLINK. Big old man like that, my people, should have know about respect and know how to conduct himself. But people, it seem like when him did younger Mirati, they come like in grandma, his mother used to put jazz for them instead of brief, my people. You understand? Because the way this man turn as a grown man, my people, and them feel mouth. No, sir. He can't beat any woman, my people. Me say, he worse than Mama Lashy to rotted. Eh? You know see that, my people? Jaja sees, Jaja knows, only in Jamaica. But you don't know the thing, my people. Please remember to do like, do share, do comment, and do subscribe. And follow me on Instagram and Facebook and to the NEWLINK production, the one and only attacking boss. Stay safe and just continue to do the right thing, my people. Peace out. Blessings. Big up. Attack.